change these hidden settings to protect your number. If you want to stop spam calls right now, then you can change these hidden settings to protect your number. So first, what you need to do is open up your Google, go with your profile, which will be in the top right. From profile, you need to go with manage your Google account. From there, you need to scroll down and then you'll find an option of autofill with Google. Or if you don't find it, you can also just simply go back and then open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down, tap on Google, and here you need to go with all services. Now scroll down, tap on autofill. Now here you'll see the section of phone number or phone number sharing. You can tap on it and switch it off. This setting lets Google provide your phone number to apps for autofill purposes, but not all apps are trustworthy. Some might sell your number to a third party without you even knowing. You will also have an option of phone number sharing right here. Just simply go and turn this off. Second step is to block unknown app installations. So go back to your main settings and tap on the search bar. And at the search bar, you need to type unknown. And you will have an option of install unknown apps. Tap on it. Tap on install unknown apps again, which will be on the bottom. Now go through the list and turn off permission for all apps. Make sure all of the permissions are turned off for all of the applications. Apps from unknown sources are often malicious and can steal your phone number or your personal data. Once done, the third step is to stop websites from tracking your phone number. Most of us use Chrome, so here's how you can secure it. You can open up your Google Chrome, tap on the three dots, which will be in the top right. After that, you need to go with settings. From settings, you need to scroll down, go with privacy and security. And then you need to tap on third-party cookies. And here you will have an option of block third-party cookies. You need to block them to stop websites from tracking you. Then you can tap on the payment methods and disable access to saved payment information. Also go to your address and more section and turn off the option of save and fill addresses. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.